it's Miss Britt and the whole fourth grade team. Say hi.
Hi. Hey, guys.
So on your last day of remote learning, we wanted you to help us figure out how we can make remote learning better for the future fourth graders. So we want you to take a few moments and think about your experience with online learning. And then you're going to tell us two positives, so two things that you liked about remote learning. And then you're going to tell us one thing that we could fix to make it better. Does that make sense? All right, so the one thing that I really like is being able to wear my lounge clothes. I like being able to wear hoodies and sweatshirts and pajama pants if I want to. So that's mine.
I have loved spending time with my furry friend. As you guys know, Bodhi's been with me every day during remote learning, and I know that you guys have been hanging out with your pets as well.
Yep, Petey and Stella have loved it. There's Petey.
Yay! And we've realized how much they sleep during the day.
I know. So much sleeping.
All right, well, I don't have any pets, unfortunately, so my favorite part has been working one-on-one with my students. It has been really great getting to work with, each student one-on-one on our math and our reading work every day. So,
and I, of course, love working with my kitty cats, but I also have really enjoyed being able to sleep in a little bit and not wake up at 5 in the morning and have to rush out of the house to go to school.
Absolutely.
Yes.
So those are things that we all agree that we enjoy. We all love Zooming with you. We all love the sleeping in, the lounge clothes, and having our pets at home. So those are things that we collectively enjoy as a grade level. But the one thing that we wish that we could fix, and we're working on a way to do this right now, is having all kids to be able to access online learning. So we realized when COVID-19 shut down schools that not all of our students had devices, and that not all of our students had access to the internet. So we are working on that right now with the school system to see what we can do to make sure that in the future, if something like this were to ever happen, that we can be prepared. So we need your help, right, guys?
yes.
Yes, we do.
We need your help. Please really think about it. Even ask your parents. What were some struggles that you and your parents, or just you by yourself, felt like you had through remote learning? And tell us about it so that we can try to work towards fixing it. That's our goal, is to make remote learning just a little bit better for everyone. So we have thoroughly enjoyed having you in our class this year, and we wish that we could have finished the school year with you. But I know everybody love. But since we have to do remote learning, what can we do to make it better? So please, please, please take some time to help us be a little bit better as remote learning teachers. We miss you guys, and
We love you so much. You guys, and stay safe.
Yes, and have a great summer. Get outside and enjoy yourself.
Absolutely.
See you soon. We love you.
All right.
One more bye. Bye.
Bye.